Our universe is crowded with life, energy, and matter. But deep in space, there is a place where all of this completely disappears. Imagine traveling through a darkness so absolute that no matter which direction you look, you see absolutely nothing, for millions of light years. Welcome to the Boötes Void, often called the Great Nothing. In 1981, an astronomer named Robert Kirshner made a discovery that shocked the scientific world. He found a massive, empty bubble in space, a cosmic desert that spans nearly 330 million light-years in diameter. To put that into perspective, our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is about 100,000 light-years wide. You could fit thousands of Milky Way galaxies inside this void. Normally, a space of this size should contain at least 10,000 galaxies. But inside the Boötes Void, scientists have only found around 60. It is so empty that if the Milky Way had been inside the center of the Boötes Void, human beings wouldn't have known other galaxies existed until the 1960s. But how did this terrifying emptiness come to be? This is where science becomes a mystery. The universe started with the Big Bang, where matter spread out relatively evenly. So, how did a hole this massive just appear? Some scientists believe that smaller voids crashed into each other over billions of years, merging like soap bubbles to create this giant abyss. But other astronomers aren't satisfied with this answer. The math just doesn't add up perfectly. It should take much longer than the age of the universe for a void of this size to form naturally. This has led to darker, more realistic, yet terrifying theories. One of the most famous hypotheses involves something called a Type 3 Kardashev civilization. Imagine an alien species so advanced that they can harvest the energy of entire stars and galaxies. To capture this energy, they would build massive structures around stars, known as Dyson spheres. If an advanced civilization is blocking out the light of thousands of galaxies to power their empire, it would look exactly like the Boötes Void from the outside. A massive, growing patch of complete darkness. But even without the aliens, the reality of being inside the void is a cosmic nightmare. If you were stranded in the middle of the Boötes Void, you would experience total isolation. In our part of the universe, the night sky is beautiful. But inside the void, the darkness is heavy. There would be no starlight, no planets, and no cosmic dust. Just an infinite, cold, black ocean. It is a place so quiet and so empty that it challenges our very understanding of existence.